Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on March 29th. As you can see on the screen, 22 orders, 227 on eBay, had one order on Hip. I think it was like $6, something like that. So we'll call it 23 orders for 233. We'll go ahead and get started here. New Jersey, large letter greetings from New Jersey. Linen, 1940s, 1941. Okay, $4.50 for that one. This is Our Lovely Queen Elizabeth, 1957, real photo from Tux. And this one sold for $9.39. Next, this is Georgetown, Colorado, the High Bridge in the Loop. And this one sold for $16.19. I probably should have put, see the Franz Hold or Huld. I probably should have put that in the title. Huld, pretty famous in the postcard postal card area, and I think look up Huld completed. He did all the what are they called? Hold on, let me get my mind working. Installment. They're called installment cards. He did these installment cards. Santa, Uncle Sam's probably the most famous one. There's a Christmas tree. But obviously he did these, other regular postcards. Here's one of a dachshund, fish, teddy bear. And you can see the prices these installment cards are getting. So keep an eye out for Huld, I guess, or Huld. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it, but that's who you got to keep an eye out for. Anyway, this bridge one sold for $16.99. Next, Wrightsville, Pennsylvania Railroad Bridge from the Pennsylvania Railroad, 6,000 feet long, 1910. And I got that for probably 30 cents from the dealer who passed away. And it brought in $10.59. This is Mountainside, New Jersey, E.H. Sunoco Service Station tow truck. Probably 1980s, 70s, or 80s. Probably say 80s. This sold for $20 on a best offer. Next, Cumberland, Maryland, Riverside Park, 1907. And that sold for $8.99. Fredericksburg, Pennsylvania, Eagle Hotel on Route 22, circa 1930s. And that sold for $15.99. Lexington, Kentucky, Bully, sire of many racehorses, Calumet. So Calumet Farms. Yeah, Calumet Farms. Big horse breeder, a lot of Kentucky Derby winners. $6.99. I usually do pretty well with the horse farms from Kentucky. Santa Cruz, California, mystery spot, real photo. There's that. Oh, I have it upside down. And this one sold for $4.99. Chief Squaw TP Canoe Indians, real photo, 1950s. And that sold for $13 on a best offer. Easter Greetings, Fantasy Child, Angel, Hatching Egg, Grace Harlow, artist sign. So there's Grace Harlow's signature. Not a very good artist. I could probably draw that. Not very well. But anyway, $7 for that card. And this is Salford, Pennsylvania, Camp Rest a While, 1940s, large Coca-Cola sign. Sold 2 of these recently. These have been up for probably 2 or 3 years with 0 sales, and 2 sold here within the last week. There's Coca-Cola sign. $6.99. This is New York Mills, New York, residence of A.G. Pettibone. and that's sold for $6.99. This is East Troy, Wisconsin, the Hall House Art and Music Camp Vintage Linen, and that's sold for $13.49. Fremont, Nebraska. This is the Oddfellows Hall. I think IO, International Order of Oddfellows, something like that. $5 on a best offer. This is Honolulu, Hawaii, Elliot's Chuck Wagon and Cocktail Lounge, and that sold for $5.99. Next, Omaha, Nebraska, Low Avenue Presbyterian Church fundraiser. That blurb right there is about raising money using the Ladies Home Journal magazine subscription. Just listed this within the last couple days at $9.99 for that card. And same thing with this one, I just recently listed it. This is Elizabeth City, North Carolina, First Baptist Church, West Main Street, $14.99 for that card. Next, Patriotic Decoration Day, GAR, Union Soldiers Flag Cemetery, 1907 Tuck. So it's a Tux card. $14.99 for that one. King and Queen of Rodeo, Roy Rogers and Dale Evans. And that's sold for $6.99. Large letter greetings from Largo, Florida. Linen. It's not quite a linen. It's like one of those almost like borderline. You can see the texture, but it did not feel like a linen when I packed it up this morning. $4.99 for that one. Somewhere in Montana, Albino Buffalo National Bison Range, real photo. And that's sold for $11.49. Looks like I got this at the York Postcard Show, I believe, maybe. I'm not sure. Had one sale on hip postcard, Valentine's, A Token of Love, Colonial Man, Woman, 1909, winch back. And I did hear back from Hip Postcard, and they say, ooh. So, one sale on Hip. Okay, there we go. Let me see. What did I say? 233 on 23 orders. So, pretty good day. I noticed that I gained a whole bunch of subscribers recently over the last day or two. You know, if you're a new subscriber and someone directed you to my channel, if you could just put that in the comments below. I'd like to thank whoever's given me shout outs. I don't know. I really don't watch a whole bunch of YouTube. I have a couple people I watch, but not a whole bunch. So if there's someone out there saying, hey, go watch Popeyes Postcards, and I'm not aware of that, please put that in the comments below so I could properly thank them. Okay, that's it. I hope you have a good sales day. Thanks for watching.